this is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. In this video also we are going to do one more problem based on trigonometric identities, and it's very simple problem we can solve by just applying one small trick. Okay, just see here. Okay, now prove that 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, so now what we have to do here, let us take LHS part of this. Okay, consider 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Okay, now first of all, before starting this problem, you need to identify that given expression is in which form. Okay, here how many terms are there in this expression? Tell me. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So it's a trinomial. So how to do the square for this? Using the algebraic identity A plus B plus C whole square, we can expand it. Okay, so how can we expand it? Tell me. There is a standard algebraic formula in from your polynomials. Okay, that is A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, square all of them, and then after plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Using this we can do the expansion. Okay, just we'll utilize this to solve it. Okay, now better you consider, don't remain plus here, we can rewrite this expression as 1 plus of minus sin theta, okay, plus cos theta whole square. Can we write like this or not? Because if you do the multiplication, minus into plus becomes minus, so we can write it like this also. Okay, anyways, now here this is represented in the form of what? A plus B plus C whole square. Now we can do the expansion using this format. Okay, how can we do the expansion? Write it here. A square means what? 1 square. Okay, plus B square means here minus sin theta whole square, minus sin theta whole square plus C square, which is cos theta whole square. Okay, now plus 2AB plus 2BC means 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Let me write here. Now tell me here, 2AB, 2 into A is 1 into B is what? Minus sin theta, plus 2 into, this is minus sin theta, into 2BC, which is cos theta, plus 2 into cos theta into 1, that is 2 into cos theta into 1, 2CA. What I have done, it looks very lengthy expression, but I haven't done anything, just I have applied the formula of algebra, which is A plus B plus C whole square, which is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Now let us do the further simplification for this. Okay, how to do the simplification? Tell me here. This is 1 square, and remember, every time whenever a negative term is there inside the square, it becomes plus. Not only square, for any even power, okay, the negative terms becomes positive. So here we can consider minus sin theta whole square can be sin square theta plus. Okay, so sin square theta plus this is cos square theta plus, not plus here, just see, minus into plus would be minus, 2 into 1 into sin theta, that is 2 sin theta. Here also minus into plus is minus 2 sin theta cos theta, plus 2 into 1 into cos theta. Right, we can write it like this in this expansion. Okay, now do one thing here. I think let me highlight this with different color. Is this an algebraic identity or not? Yes, this is algebraic identity, which is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and value of this would be 1. So 1 square is 1, and this value would be 1 minus, see here. Anyways, here, okay, this is minus 2 sin theta, minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay, so here this 1 plus 1 can be written as 2 or not? Okay, let me write 2 here only. Okay, why to take another step? Okay, 2 minus 2 sin theta. Okay, and minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta. Let us group the terms. How to group it? Let us group these two terms and let us group these two terms again. We can't take the bracket over here. Let me tell you here. So I will write 2 minus 2 sin theta, okay, plus I will arrange 2 cos theta first, minus 2 sin theta cos theta. For my convenience, I wrote like this. You don't need to write if you are aware, but step by step process I want to write in a neat way. Okay, just say anyways. Here 2 can be taken common or not? 2 can be taken common. Here 1 is left over, minus sin theta. Okay, here from these two terms, 2 is a common factor and cos theta is a common factor. 2 is a common and cos theta is also a common factor. So plus 2 cos theta can be taken common, taken outside. Here 1 will be left over here, and minus sin theta is left over. Okay. Now do one thing. How many terms are here? Tell me. Here this is one term and this is one term. In these two terms again, what is the common factor? Here 2 into 1 minus sin theta, here also 2 into 1 minus sin theta is there. So we can take common 2 into 1 minus sin theta for both of them. 2 into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, when you took 2 into 1 minus sin theta outside, then what is left over? Here 1 only, no? Here 1, and here 2 into 1 minus sin theta is taken out, so only cos theta is left over. Okay, so what are the remaining terms here? It is factorized to, this expression is factorized to 2 into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. I think we obtained here also, just see, 2 into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta, we obtained our required result or not? Just this is our required result which we need. Like this we can get it. And what we have done to get this problem, only we need to know the formula of algebra, which is a plus b plus c whole square, which is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Applying that and just a bit simplified and taking some common terms, okay, taking some terms in common, we factorize this into this required form and we obtain LHS equal to RHS. Got it? Like this we have to do. And let us do one more problem of almost a similar pattern.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.